We're a little late to the video, but we have established our ride height for the truck, and now we are using the Welder Series Mustang II front independent suspension, the cross member that they sell. So if you read their instructions are pretty good. Here is the center of the cross member. Here's the back of the cross member. Here's the front of the cross member. Actually, this is the spindle, or center of the cross member. Spindle, same thing. And then here's the towers where they'll go. So it's actually it's fairly easy. It's just taking a while to measure everything. So our measurement was we got our measurement from this corner to here. That's how we got our center, and we ended up at 21 3/4 inches. Same on both sides. So the next thing will just be transferring all these details to the other side. Once we have it on that side, we'll start cutting up the cross member. Here's the cross member. There's the wheels we're using, 20-inch rims. There's also a measurement that you take. You sit the tire upright, you put something flat over it, you take your full measurement. We ended up at 26 1/4, I think, and then you divide that by 2, and you end up with your center, and then you minus out 1/2 inch for when the tire compresses when it's under load, and that's how you get your spindle center. So we ended up, our spindle center was, what was our spindle center? It was 12 5/8. So we get 12 5/8 will be our spindle center. So we'll take that measurement, I believe, from the floor going up, and then that will be where the spindle is. So yeah, guys, please continue to watch our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. You know, I don't know if I should be more detailed on what I'm doing, or maybe you guys know more than what I know, so maybe you guys could tell me what I'm doing wrong. It's pretty much just me and my son trying to do this, you know, a little bonding time. But like I said, please subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.